Good morning, world. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel. We've got a beautiful morning. Look at all those beautiful clouds up there. This time of year in Florida, it can be clear blue sky, a little bit cloudy, but by the afternoon we can be having all kinds of thunderstorms. Makes it fun to live around here. Now, why am I the Shark Scrapper? Well, because I love scrapping and I love sharks. Why am I doing this is a more important question. That is because I'm trying to get stuff like this out of the trash and into a recycle stream, a resale stream, or a reuse stream. Now, I'll admit I'm kind of better at getting stuff into the recycle stream than I am any of that other stuff, but we're trying. We're trying. I guess somebody had a big old garden or something and they relocated their fencing or something. I bet this is also going to be a real problem for me at some point. It's just got that I'm going to snag up on everything you put in the truck look to it. How much you want to bet? Oh well, we'll deal with it just like we always do, one way or another. Now then, what do we got going here? What we got going here is a failure to communicate. All right, then let's just convince you that you want to lay down. There we go. That's not really a chicken wire, so I can't really do the chicken wire dance for y'all. I know some of you were very disappointed because I didn't do the chicken wire dance last time I had some chicken wire. All right, let's dive in and see what else we can find. Yeah, we got chain link fence here, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. 5-car family. Now, I'm not taking you. Now when I get the rack on the truck, I'll just be able to go straight up with that. Can't do it, it's dead. I got a bad feeling about this load today. Chain link fence, wire fence, it's just gonna be a mess. This is just gonna be a mess. All right, let's see what we got going here. This is some sort of tent looking thing. And a chair. And And I don't know what you were, but you got a great big old cord on you. Now then, how about you? Yeah, I think that'll be all right. Yeah, plastic, but I want to get my cutter. I don't know what you are. You're not very heavy. I'm not going to take you because you're a lot of plastic and you're not very heavy. But I will take your cord. I hope you're just a rock. Yes, you are just a rock. A little pebble in my tire. We scrap everything, including the kitchen sink. You're pretty light. Yeah, that's stainless, that's not. So, we'll see. Might do a little cleaning on it before we take it in. Well, we started out strong, but boy howdy, things slowed down on us. I'm hoping they pick up again. That power cord appears to have been fixed a few times. You're PVC, so you're not any good to me. Two ironing boards. Well, 1.5 ironing boards. How's that? Ubiquitous wire shelving. Whoa, and it looks like a lot of it. Oh my, I am gonna be busy measuring this stuff, aren't I? Look at all this. And we're pretty near the end of this run today, so I'm just gonna put this stuff in here. I'm not gonna try to worry about space constraints at this point. Okay, good enough for right now. Are you wet? No, you're not. I'm going to grab a bag of that, because that paper can be very handy to use as packing material.
Steel is not looking like the meal today.
No, it's a slow one. How you like my helmet, man?
Oh, that's new. I like that.
Nah, today was a slow one. I don't know what was going on out there today.
That thing stainless at least?
It is.
So you got a little something out of it.
Yeah, a little something. I got some cord food too, so.
All right.
You didn't give me a whole lot of room here today, Willie.
What? I need to move the board a little bit?
Ugh. Yeah, those guys had a big load, huh?
And they've been here for an hour now.
That's the new look. You're going back in a minute. Don't go anywhere. Come on. Ugh. Hey, the good news was there wasn't a lot of stuff to get snagged on the wire and chain link fence. The bad news was there wasn't much stuff to get snagged on the wire and chain link fence. Yeah, this had to be my worst day yet. 200 pounds. That's embarrassing. 200 pounds. Ay. But 9.35 cents a pound, so that was $18.70. Hey, if you enjoy my street scrapping videos, got a link gonna pop up, take you to more of my street scrapping fun, plus all my e-waste fun and all the other fun that's on the Shark Scrapper channel. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends too, so they can check out the Shark Scrapper. And if you haven't subscribed, that's a little red button in the lower right-hand corner. Go ahead and do that now. All right, Herbie, you take care. I'm off to the shark cage to go do some scrapping on some computers.